Tell me more about what type of visibility and what tools does Microsoft IT, Microsoft Digital use to understand the landscape of agents across Microsoft? How do they manage it from a visibility standpoint?
What we ultimately would like to do is have Resource Explorer in Power Platform Admin Center to come up to scale, be more real time, and be able to actually render that kind of results for us. Right now, it's a combination between what in Microsoft Digital have built, what our security counterparts are able to see in Purview and in Sentinel. And then a combination of that, we get into whatever we can look at from a visibility perspective and turn into reporting. But my nirvana is I should be able to get that from Resource Explorer and some other out-of-the-box reporting in Power Platform Admin Center.